Welcome. Today we are diving into one of the most efficient ways to search for text, the Knuth-Morris-Pratt, or KMP, algorithm. If you have ever wondered how search functionality works so fast, this is a key piece of the puzzle. Let's define our problem. We have a large body of text, and we want to find a specific pattern within it. We need to know exactly where that pattern starts. Imagine searching for a specific word in a book. You want to find the first occurrence efficiently. The most obvious way to solve this is the brute force, or naive, approach. We check character by character. If we find a mismatch, we shift our pattern by just one spot and start all over again. The problem is, this is wasteful. Notice how we are rechecking characters we already matched. This leads to a time complexity of O of m times n, which can be very slow for large texts. The KMP algorithm introduces a brilliant insight. If we know part of the pattern already matches, we can use that information to skip ahead. We do not need to back up and recheck everything. We can perform a smart shift based on what we have already seen. The core of KMP is something called the LPS table. LPS stands for longest prefix, which is also a suffix. For any subsegment of our pattern, we want to know the length of the longest proper prefix that is also a proper suffix. This value tells us how much of the pattern repeats itself. Let's look at how we compute this. Here is a pattern, a ABAAC. At index 4, the substring is a ABAA. The prefix a at the start matches the suffix AA at the end. So the LPS value is 2. We store these values in an array to use during our search. Now, imagine we are searching and we hit a mismatch at the letter B. Instead of shifting by just one, we look at the LPS value of the previous character. It tells us we have a matching prefix of length 2. So, we can align our pattern's prefix with the text's suffix, effectively skipping ahead without rechecking those two A's. Here is the logic in action. We use 2 pointers, I for the text and J for the pattern. If characters match, we advance both. If they don't, we don't move I back. Instead, we move J back to the position indicated by the LPS table. This ensures I never moves backwards, guaranteeing efficiency. Comparing the two approaches, the difference is clear. The naive approach can degrade to O of n times m KMP, however, guarantees O of n plus m time complexity. It takes linear time to build the LPS table and linear time to search the text. This makes it incredibly reliable. To wrap up, KMP is a linear time algorithm that revolutionizes string matching by avoiding redundant comparisons. By preprocessing the pattern into an LPS array, it searches large texts efficiently and elegantly. It is a fundamental algorithm every developer should understand.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.